Right, so let's check out a virtual flip video for 1934 Blue Ridge Road in Tremont, Mississippi. The GPS and MLS is going to pull it up as Fulton. It is currently listed at $75,000. It sits on 2.7 wooded acres, two parcels across one street. It's 2 bedroom, 2 bath, 1,711 square feet. Still at $75,000. Call me at 601-307-8175 if you're interested in this property. I can represent you as the buyer's agent. First things first, prerequisites, let's do some inspections. We'll make sure that the home is structurally okay and everything is good with that, and do any remediations found from any of the inspection reports with licensed contractors. Next up, we're going to start with the exterior. We'll update the roof with the galvanized tin metal corrugated roofing. Then we can, on the lower level, we can replace the windows with Provia vinyl windows. Then we paint the brick with the white Valspar masonry brick paint or an exterior paint from Behr, the color New House White. We can replace the doors with gel wind French doors in steel. Fix and pour some concrete for the sidewalk. Update the front patio area with landscaping to your liking for added curb appeal. Next up is the kitchen area. What we can do here is we can repair any drywall and any structural framing issues as necessary, including the subfloor or the ceiling. Next, we repaint the walls with some sort of an interior semi-gloss paint, color of your choice, but I'd go with white. Tear out the built-in little bricked area over to the side and replace that with kitchen cabinets. We've replaced a portion of the walls with kitchen cabinets from the Diamond Now Arcadia collection in white from Lowe's. We add or replace countertops with butcher block countertop from Allen and Roth, that brand from Lowe's or whatever you like. Add in steel stainless appliances. We priced an affordable bundle deal from Lowe's, a Whirlpool set. We can also replace the ceiling fan with the Hampton Bay version from Lowe's. Add in any LED lighting as necessary, as well as restain the trim and the columns to Early American by Old Dominion or some sort of a light walnut or whatever you want to go with. On the floors, we're doing a floor decor 12-inch millimeter thick panel, hydro shield waterproof laminate plank in the style Panama Pier. Finally, for the kitchen, pantry, and storage room, we paint and repair the walls, floors, and ceilings as necessary. Add in one or two Arcadia kitchen cabinets in the color of natural and stain them the same color as our DIY black iron metal piping storage shelves that we'll have. So we'll install piping and then we'll install shelves on top of that. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in buying, selling, or investing in anything in real estate, please shoot me a text or give me a call. And if you're interested in a virtual flip video for a property that you have some ideas about, also reach out to me. I can help you out with that as well. Hope you have a great day.